So this is the sound of the Indian Scout with the factory pipes on. We'll start it up and give it a quick rev and then take them off, show you what it sounds like without any pipes, and then put our new ones on. So here we go, let's start it up. Okay, so the factory pipes are off. We haven't got anything on there now, so let's start it up, see what it sounds like. It won't be for too long because I don't think the neighbours appreciate it. That was a bit loud. Okay, so we've got one of the pipes on. Let's see what it sounds like. It's still going to be loud, so I won't put it on for too long because of the neighbours. Here we go. Still a bit too loud. Okay, so we've got both pipes fitted with baffles, so let's see what it sounds like now. Still quite noisy.